this is Ella. I'm gonna show you how you can reach this fabulous editing in only 2 minutes. The only thing you have to do is to finding two photo. One of them is the face, which is better if you can find it in black and white, and the other one is to find and download the city photo. Let me start with clicking the range, insert the photo of the face. In order to match the color of the background, please use the color drop and fade it out with the smudge brush. Then click on the eraser and set the opacity to the 60s and fade out the hair part. Again, insert the photo of city, put it where it belongs. Set this photo to the luminosity mode, then smudge it out again and using the low opacity eraser. Now adding some clouds with the white color and rainforest brush. Combine all the layers together. Come here in adjustment, set it to the gradient map, and the name is Mocha. I want to put the opacity to the 90 and then add another layer. Go and add some text. I'm going with the dream word, and please make sure to define your font. And with the arrow, please put it where it belongs. With the warp section, I'm going to set the angles and fix them. And for the last part, come in the eraser, set the opacity to 60 again. And here you go. I hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like this video.